What's up, everyone? And I was just going to tell you that I'm doing a giveaway for a fire fidget spinner. It is right here. And all you have to do to enter the contest is leave a comment saying, I subscribed, turn on the notifications, and you have to actually be subscribed because there's a way to know that if you're subscribed or not. So this is what you have to say. I subscribed, and then leave your phone number so I can contact you and get the fidget spinner to you. Alright.
And leave your phone number.
Yeah, leave your phone number, what I just said. Alright, bye. I hope you're having a great day. But I was just telling you that. Alright, bye.